What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we're about to go meet up with the homie Aryan. He just got a new supercar. I want to check it out, take some photos, congratulate him, and maybe, I don't know, hopefully we could drive it. I'm not going to tell you guys what the car is until we get there, but if you guys want to drop a comment down below and try to figure it out, drop a comment. Let's see if you guys can get it right. Launch control in the AMG GT. Dude, that shit takes off. And then we got the homie Aryan with his S2K. I think they're trying to learn how to do launch control in the AMG GT, but that shit took off quick. It literally sounded like crazy rumbles. It's pretty sick. But no, this is not the car that my homie Aryan got. Aryan's not here yet. He'll be pulling up shortly. Here we go, another launch. Dude, these things with like a body kit and stuff, they're so sick. I don't know if these are rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, I'm not sure. Dude, it literally sounds like thunder rumbling. Bro, that shit is fast. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, the homie Aryan just got here. Bro. This became like a racetrack out of nowhere. Whoa. Damn. What's up, bro? Congrats. Dude, this shit is sick. Look at that, guys. All the carbon on the door right there, up there on the top. Got the little wing. So fire. Dude, it sounds so crazy. Instead of downpipe too, you can hear those turbos spooling like crazy. Oh my gosh. Dude, that shit looks so sick. Oh my. And then the doors going up. Sheesh. You already know, doors go up. The rest is self-explanatory. That's just so fire. It's got the carbon wing. Dude, look at the taillights, how crazy they look.
You're just dirty from the rain last night, bro.
I know, it rained a lot.
How are you, bro?
What's up? Good, how are you?
So put both doors up?
Yeah, let's do it with both doors up, and then we'll get some without the doors. Going on. It's alright, you won't see it, you won't see it. That's just sick.
We should get Finding Nick's reaction right now.
We should, huh? He doesn't know, right? You said he doesn't know. Look at the interior, you got Alcantara on the seats. Red with Alcantara on the steering wheel, all the carbon on there. It's so nice. McLaren 570S. Alright guys, well, we just finished shooting the McLaren 570S. This car has so many details to it, it's crazy. Like, there's so much character to this car, and it just looks really good. As you can see, like, all the carbon here on the door, it's crazy. He's got wheels on it too, red brake calipers. Interior is just fire too. Look at that, it's like a spaceship. Got the screen in the middle. It's just nice.
He doesn't believe it.
He doesn't believe it.
You're lying, bro.
Yeah, bro, it's just so fire.
Look at Aryan, bud.
Show it to him, show it to him.
Bye, Baba.
What's up, G?
So sick.
I'm Finding Nick, bro. I'm selling merch, bro. I'm chilling. Rid of the Humvee, you didn't listen, bro.
You're lying, bro.
Bro, why would he lie?
No.
That's your spec too. Red.
You know Nick being a thousand got that the other day.
Alrighty guys, well, we finished photo shooting, and now we're gonna go to the homie Mark's house and check out his F80 and see what he has done to it, because I know he got something new. Alright guys, we need supercars, man. It's time to ditch the BMWs. Later. We've got ketchup and mustard, guys. And then we got the two matte colors. You can see this is like a darker frozen gray, and that's more like a light silver color. Pretty cool though, both matte paints. We need a supercar, guys, ASAP. You guys know who it is. What's up?
What's up, bro?
It's cracking.
You ready?
Yes,
You
sir.
ready for
You?
tomorrow, bro? Yeah.
It's gonna be crazy.
As ready as we can be, you know.
Yep, that's true.
I'll share with you some stuff that couldn't be done on the car, but the car looks really good right now. So.
I want to check it out.
It's a big surprise.
All right, guys. Mr. Mark threw on the BBSs. These are called the RS2s, right?
RS2.
Damn, these things look so fire, yo. Oh
BBS
my
boys.
gosh. And he got the lap door lid too. Look at that. Look how aggressive the whole front end looks. Dude, it totally changes the car.
Right? Yeah, the front end
It looks
so
mean, and those intakes in the front too. Wow. Look at that, guys. Fire. You are definitely you're ready for Beamer Invasion. That's
ready.
for sure.
I'm
You
ready.
are ready for sure.
Bro,
Damn.
Kenny, bro. Kenny, Carl over at AA Auto Works. You guys need any work, man, hit them up because they got me right.
Yeah.
Now what's special,
What?
which I get talked to, is nobody runs the lower splitters with the Laptor lip. So I'm the only one that's running
it like that
splitters,
aggressive.
like, yeah.
Dude, that shit looks crazy. Even all this right here too. Damn.
Yeah, you know, some people
Oh,
like
crazy.
paint match that middle piece.
Yeah, no, this looks really good.
But I've seen some photos without it, at least just painting the sides and then leaving the middle. And,
Bro, your front end just looks so aggressive.
and we get to lay on the
Damn.
floor still. So.
Wow. Yeah, this was the lip I was showing you guys in the previous vlog. This is sick, right? You see how it's all like this right here. Shit is dope. And the BBSs, of course, just set it all together.
With the black and gold center cap.
Just don't give them back.
Black and yellow, black and yellow.
Yeah, that looks sick, bro. Congrats, seriously, that shit looks fire. Oh, you're definitely ready for Beamer Invasion. You're gonna break a lot of necks tomorrow.
I know, the only thing I'm bummed about, so I just threw on my exhaust tips this morning, but I wasn't able to put on my diffuser. So we have a whole new middle piece and a whole Varus under tray, but
Why couldn't you put it
unfortunately,
on? Not
it's
enough
the
time?
last minute, bro. Yeah, too much time. Too much time.
It's alright, bro, it still looks clean.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
I was like super bummed at first, but
Nah.
you know, it is what it is.
We're
After
gonna-
throwing on the exhaust tips today, I was like, okay, fuck it.
No, your car
That's
looks,
pretty cool.
dude, your car looks so good. It looks so wide, the arches, the rear fenders look crazy.
Bro, you had to make it a little bit wider too.
Wide body?
Yeah, technically, like, bro, I need to get like more
Yeah, yeah.
aggressive specs to like fit the fenders because honestly, like, we have pulled it a little bit.
Yeah.
But you can't tell because it's been repainted and it just looks factory.
Oh, it looks sick. Congrats. Taking some pictures for Mark with his brand Never. You guys need to go cop some merch. He has hats. I think he's gonna be coming out with shirts, hoodies, all that stuff. But for now, he just dropped these hats right here. It says Never, and then in the back it says Never Quit. So I just took some pictures for his merch with the. So we got the hats with the BBS wheels. I got it with the front end, with the back. So stay tuned. All right, guys, if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.